How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a futures trade I took today, kind of give you my thought process, talk about the strategy I have been using that's been working really, really well. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. It really, really helps me out when you click that thumbs up button, so go ahead and do that now before you forget. Let's get right into this futures trade. First off, for this video, we're going to look at the 5-minute time frame. I was watching the 3-minute and the 5-minute. I like to trade ES for futures. So I got in right here when we pulled back up. We touched this 20 SMA, 21 EMA, and 9 EMA. That's all crossing up here. We pulled it back up, touched this area. I took my short position there. I scalped this. It pushed down 3 points for each short position I had open. That's $50 per point. So $150 per each short position I had open. So that's a really nice gainer pre-market. Yes, I did leave quite a bit on the table there, and that was my fault. And let me explain what I should have done here in this situation. Let's say I was in this 3 short. I should have sold 2 on that 3-point push down and set my stop loss right here at break even with the remainder and let it run. If the market turned around and it hit my stop loss, oh well, I done locked in profit on 2 of them. But if it continued on down like you see here, I'm catching additional gains. And that's how I should have handled that trade. Keep in mind when you're setting your stop loss, when trading futures, you do have a decent sized commission. Just allow for that. You don't want to be letting that take away from your profits. This is how I've been trading futures. Ideally, I would like to see a trend established like you see here and wait on a nice pullback like this here, for example. So once your trend, you start trending up or down, you want to wait. You don't want to chase. You want to wait for it to pull back to these key indicators, then take your position. Ideally, not the light ones or the heavy ones, maybe like the lighter, like the 21 EMA. This is a 9 EMA here. Maybe wait for a nice pullback to this 21 EMA, 20 SMA, whichever one you're using, and take your short there. Just keep an eye on volume as well. You don't want to see a huge increase in buying volume because it could blow right through that. Something like this here, that's typical. Just keep an eye on it. And that's a look into this. I will say this, for those that's still around, if you're seeing this video today, the day it was released, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the accounts I've been using. They're funded. They're having an 80% sale off. Today's the last day for that. If you want to check that out, do so there. You can open up to 20 accounts, link them together to copy each other's trades. And, at that point, $100 profit turns into $2,000. If you got 20 accounts open, you make $100 on one account, and all of them linked. That's $100 on each account. $100 have now turned into $2,000. People ask me why, open multiple accounts on the, with funding, because you do have a drawdown that you hit, you will get your account taken. But if you have multiple accounts open, linked together, you don't have to be swinging for home runs. You lower your risk. You need to be a sniper when trading futures anyways. Have a plan as you would with options trading. But yeah, appreciate you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And as always, I'll see you next time.